Children listen. Chapter number 4, application of determinant and matrices. Application of determinant generally which is useful for finding the solutions for system of linear equation. The system of linear equation we know generally, we have studied in 11th standard even. The systems of linear equation can be either three variable or in two variable. First of all, suppose ax plus by equal to some constant. If you have like that now, a1, b1, c1 you can take. a2x plus b2y equal to c2. If we have two variable x and y, this is also one of the linear equation. And this one, how you going to solve with help of matrix? That is, we are going to see in the exercise. Okay, this is by 2 by 2 means two variable. Suppose three variable na, what is that? a1x, b1y plus c1z is equal to d, some constant. Understand? Same manner a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This is, I have three variable. So this one also I can solve with help of matrix. How we are going to do that everything we are going to see in this exercise. Okay, shall we go now? Right, that is application of determinant. Application of determinant na just solving the linear equation with help of matrix. Understand? Right, fine. In that very important topic, before solve the what is that linear equations, whether it contains solution or not having solution, we should check. Understand? If it is a solution only, if you solve, you will be getting, sir. How sir one, sir? Generally, to linear equation, it have solution, sir. How you will be getting without a solution one equation? Yes, we have some equation. Listen, I have x plus y is equal to 2, for example, and one more I am taking 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Such equation I have. This is two equation I am taking. For this, if you try to find x and y now, you cannot find, because no answer for this. You try to find. This is you take 1. This is you take 2. Now when you simplify equation 1, if I multiply by 2, what I am getting? 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, 2y, 2 2s are 4. Equation 2, if you write as it is, 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. When I change opposite sign by using normal method, not matrix, 2x 2x cancel, 2y 2y cancels to 0, which is equal to 4 minus 8 to minus 4. See children, if you get like that, how you can find x value, y value? Both x and y is cancelled. Have you noticed both x and y are cancelled? Then you cannot find your x value and y value. Okay, and one more thing, this is not equal, 0 not equal to minus 4. If it is not equal, you cannot find the answer. Sir, suppose equal, sir. Suppose equal, sir. I have 2x plus 2y is equal to 4, and 2x plus 2y is equal to again 4. Na? Suppose if we subtract, this everything is equal to 0 equal to 0. Now we having infinite number of solution. Left equal to right, if you are getting now, we having infinite number of solution. But here we are going to see only unique solution only in our exercise. Unique solution now, one solution you will be getting. X contain 1, y contain 1. If it is z, z contain 1. So unique solution only we are going to see here. So that consistent or inconsistent. Consistent means there is a solution. Solution means there is a many solution or one solution. So but in this syllabus we are going to see only one solution. That is what? Oh, one or more also they have mentioned. But generally they are telling consistent na one solution may give or many solution also may give. That is what they gave, one or more. But in our portion we have only one solution. Only one solution only we have in the syllabus. Understand? Right. So that this type of question now you never get. Understand? So consistency or inconsistency. That is how we are going to check now with the help of determinant. So consistency in the sense, what we have to do, determinant A you have to find. The determinant A some number you have to get, either negative or positive. Whether it is consistent or inconsistent, if you want to check, you have to take determinant for the given matrix. When you find, if you get either negative or positive, something you have to get, non-negative integer you should get. Okay, non-negative integer, even okay, negative also can come, either negative or positive, that's not an issue. But 0 comes now, it will come under the inconsistent. Okay, what is that? 0 comes now, it will be coming under the inconsistent. Not equal to 0, sir, in the sense it is called the consistent. Have you understand? Consistent and inconsistent, have you understand? So why, sir, we are telling determinant of A equal to 0 na inconsistent? Because A was equal to formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So denominator suppose equal to 0 na, anything by 0 not defined, means we cannot find anything. That is what denominator A equal to 0, the solution is what? Inconsistent, means there is no solution. Inconsistent na, there is no solution is the meaning, means solution does not exist, that is the meaning. Have you understand, children? Okay, that is we are going to see. So hold this exercise based on what na, only linear equation, whether it have a solution or not having solution, these things only we are going to see. Right, fine. In that first topic, consistent, the system is consistent or inconsistent. Okay, the system is the system of equation is said to be consistent if it is solution, means it having solution is the meaning. Consistent na, it having solution. Okay sir, how many solution? It can have one or more, that is not an issue. But generally how I'm going to check this now, that is determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A not equal to 0, then the system is consistent. Determinant of A not equal to 0, then the system is what ma? Consistent. And one more word what we can say, that what the determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A is called what ma? Non-singular. Okay, then A is non-singular matrix. Okay, so if A is a non-singular matrix, then we can say a system is consistent. Okay, the same manner inconsistent, how I'm going to check inconsistent? The same thing, determinant of A when you take, if it is coming 0, then A is singular matrix. If it is a singular matrix, the system of what is that linear equation does not exist a solution, means we don't have a solution, that is the meaning. So inconsistent in the sense, the system of equation is said to be inconsistent if the solution does not exist. When the solution does not exist, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, this one equal to 0 na, we cannot get a solution, so that the system is inconsistent, they will be telling. Have you understand, children, what is inconsistent, what is consistent? Okay, right. Based on this only we are going to see the next topic. Shall we? Sorry. Wait. Here. Solution of system of linear equations using inverse of matrix. Listen carefully. We are going to find the solution of, see, solution means x, y, z equal to what? That is we are going to find with help of a inverse matrix. Okay, with help of a inverse matrix. Then what is the formula? I told you already. What is the formula we are going to use? What is the formula we are going to use in this? What, my dear? Determinant of A should be not equal to 0. Why na? The formula is set A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This formula I'm going to use. So this is the formula for a matrix method. First we should find the inverse, then only we can solve. Why sir we should find inverse? Shall we go one by one? Listen. So first let me go in either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Let me explain in the 2 by 2, then I'll go in a 3 by 3. Or else I'll give 3 by 3 directly. Let A1x, B1y, C1z equal to D1. Generally I'm taking, children. A2x, B2y, C2z is equal to D2. A3x, B3y, C3z equal to D3. We have 3 linear equations. This one I'm going to make into a matrix format. Okay, so A is equal to, I can write that A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is my A matrix. And the variable matrix should be column matrix XYZ, and constant matrix is called B matrix. That is also must be column D1, D2, D3. Okay, sir, how I'm going to solve? I'm going to use to solve the matrix method what na? Ax is equal to B. Means if you use this, again you will be getting the question. Okay, again you will be getting the question. So A matrix what actually? A matrix, okay, first let me simplify this. So I need only x, means xyz I need na. Pre-multiply A inverse on both side. Pre-multiply na, previously means prefix like that. Okay, A into Ax equal to A inverse into B. So what is A inverse into A, or A into A inverse equal to what pa? I. That formula you must know, children. So that A inverse into A equal to Ix is equal to A inverse B. So that IA or AI equal to I, means along with the identity matrix, if you product any matrix, you will be getting the same matrix. So Ix equal to what you will be getting? Surely X, which is equal to A inverse B. So this is very important result. Okay, this is very important result, you must remember. So that Ax is equal to B now, this implies X is equal to A inverse B. Okay, this is very important result we are going to use. Understand? So that this is what actually question method. So A matrix, X matrix equal to B matrix, if you product na, again you will be getting question. So you want to remember anything important from this exercise na, Ax equal to B, which is equal to what is that? A inverse B, means X equal to A inverse B you will be getting. Example and all don't want, directly will start. So this is very important, you should remember. Understand? Copy this. Same thing. Similarly, you can do even for a 2 by 2 matrix also. Understand? We'll go directly in the sums, Raja. Kindly you copy this. Where you need a previous page? Right, copy, quick. We'll go in a. Do it fast, pa. Ax equal to B, X in what is that? X equal to A inverse B. The last step which I wrote is very important, you should remember. Okay. Ba? Yeah, next exercise, Raja. Solution of system of linear equation using inverse matrix na, this is. So using inverse matrix they are telling na. So A inverse here A inverse, you know what is A inverse da? 1 by determinant A into what is that? Adjoint A. Okay, here determinant A must be not equal to 0. Determinant of A must be not equal to 0, then only A inverse will be exist. Suppose determinant of A equal to 0 na, A inverse does not exist. The solution is what we have to say? Inconsistent, we have to say. Solution is does not exist. After complete, kindly write the exercise 4.5, question number 1. Okay, shall we start the exercise, pa? Write faster, Raja. Why side have you done? Pa? Previous page you want? Wait. Is anyone writing this page? Do it fast. Done, appa? Done, I'm right. Previous page, how many of them need copy? This one don't want write. Consistent na how we'll be checking, inconsistent na how we'll be checking. That you just note down. Remaining points and all we have in our textbook itself. Okay, right pa. Ma next sums will go. Guys, listen. So in this sixth question, what is it? I cropped. Sorry, sixth question I cropped. Right, sir. Listen. 1, 2, 3. We have a same model 1, 2, 3. Here you should take one question homework. I said. Which one you will be taking? Huh? 3 you taking homework. Okay. Third one you should take as a homework. 1 and 2 I will be doing. Okay, listen, 1 and 2. What they are telling? Examine the consistency of system of equations in exercise 1 to 6. Just we have to check consistent or not. Very simple. So take the given question, x plus 2y equal to 2 and what is that? 2x plus 3y equal to 3. So let's take first matrix format. So how you will be making? Coefficient of x value what? Coefficient of x value nothing is there now 1. Next to coefficient of y. Next second linear 2, 3. Listen how I am making. Coefficient of x value, y value I am writing here. Again coefficient of x value I am writing here. Then you will be getting matrix automatically. How we understand how we are forming all those? Okay, right. The same manner variable matrix. Variable matrix what? X, y, and constant matrix what we can say? Yeah, 2, 3. So variable matrix, constant matrix, and coefficient matrix. So A is called coefficient matrix. A is called what? Coefficient matrix. If you want to write in pencil, you write. A is called coefficient matrix. Capital X is called variable matrix. B is called constant matrix. Because with help of constant we are making a matrix na. So that it's called constant matrix. With help of variable we are making a variable matrix. With help of coefficients we are making this matrix, so that it's called coefficient matrix. We understand? Yeah, that's it. Right, now we'll be checking whether it is consistent or not. So determinant of A which is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3. When you take multiply, what I am getting, Daraja, 1 3s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4, which is equal to minus 1, that is not equal to 0. Then what we can say? The system is consistent. That's it. System is consistent. That's it, Raja. The system is consistent. Are we understand? Very simple. Is it okay, Raja? Very, very simple. Just you have to realize whether it is okay or not. Understand? Next, same manner, the second one I will be doing. Second one what? 2x minus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 4. So what is the matrix I will be getting for this matrix? A equal to, let A equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1. Have you noticed coefficients? I am writing as a first row. Okay. Then coefficients of second matrix 1, 1 is there. That I am writing a second row. Row only we should write, children. Coefficient matrix row wise only we have to write. Okay. Right. And variable matrix always column wise I said. Even constant matrix also column wise. 5, 4. But there is no work for variable and constant matrix here. Only for coefficient matrix. So 2 ones are 2, formula minus 1 into minus 1 which is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. Then system is consistent. Then the system is consistent. Okay, system is consistent. That's it, children. This is very easy only, no? Third one you can do very easily, am right? Is it okay or what? Okay. So consistent na, one more word I said, what I said. Consistent na, what I said? Non-singular matrix I said. Okay, that is also you can mention if you want. Okay. So consistent is enough. Are we done? Can I have the first page? Here, the yellow color one. Can I have? So in that 4, 5, 6 we have same Raja. So when you take homework in 4, 5, 6 which will be taking? 4, 5, 6 which will be taking? 5 ah. Okay, fifth one homework. Then 4 and 6 I will be doing. So fourth one. So x plus y plus z is equal to 1. This one I am writing here. 2x plus 3y plus 2 times z is equal to 2. And ax plus ay plus 2 times az equal to 4. So first we should write a matrix, means coefficient matrix. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, a, 2 times a. This is my A matrix, means coefficient matrix. And variable matrix x, y, z. Here we have a 3 variable, okay. And constant also 1, 2, 4. Here also there is a 3, means 1 column only. So variable matrix and constant matrix always column matrix Raja. And the coefficient matrix always it will be a square matrix, means either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Okay. Here the matrix will be 3 by 3. We have to check the determinant only, whether it is consistent or not. If you want to check, we have to check the determinant only. Okay. Now we are moving into determinant 1, 2, a, 1, 3, a, 1, 2, 2 times a. Okay, this is 2 only. Now let's go for the determinant. Listen, row 1 I am using. Row 1 if I take now. So first what ma? This is you have to strike out. So what is my then? 3 to a to a. Okay, 3 to a 2 times a. And this is what? A 1 plus 2 ah. Raja, listen. Ma, this is A11, A12, A13. So that what I am getting? 1 plus 2 na 3. 3 means negative. Negative na minus you should give here. Then 1. Element A, 1 to element 1 you have to write. After that, the element 1 row column if you strike out, 2 to A to A. Okay. 2 to A to A we have to give. Next, what actually? Element 1, 3. 1, 3 na 1 plus 3, 4. That is plus only. Okay. Plus 1. So, row and column if you strike out na 2, 3, A. 2, 3, A. 2, 3, A. This one we have to simplify Raja. That's it. I'll be using here. Now, 1 into, if you multiply, what is that? 3 into 2A, 6 times A. Formula minus 2 into A to A. Okay, minus 1 into product like this. 2 into 2A, 4 times A. Formula minus A into 2, 2A again. Okay, plus 1 into 2 into A, 2A. Formula minus 3 into A, 3A. Now, if you simplify, you want to get something. So, 4 times A minus 1 into, here 1 into anything, 1 down leave it. So, this is 2A and here 1 into minus A you will be getting. So, 1 into 4A, 4A, that one I didn't mention. If you want to mention, you mention. Okay. Minus 2A minus A. If we separate overall, I am getting A. So, determinant of A is equal to A, which is not equal to 0. Then system is consistent. Then system is consistent. That's it, Raja. System is a consistent. Fourth one. Fifth one we said homework, Raja. Fifth one we said homework. Sixth one I will do. Can I have the second Roman? Do carefully. Shall we go for next? No, the second Roman. Can I rough? I'm asking. Here. Is anyone writing the second Roman? So in the same page I am doing, what is the sixth one? So 5x minus y plus 4 times z is equal to 5, and 2x plus 3y plus 5 times z is equal to 2. 5x minus 2 times y plus 6 times z is equal to minus 1. Suppose which is not in proper order, you have to make it. Means something they will be giving equal to 0. Constant you want to send opposite, then you will be getting correct format. Okay. Be careful. First we will make A matrix. So 5 minus 1 for first equation over. All coefficients I am writing. 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 6. A matrix over. X matrix na column matrix which is a variable, and B matrix constant matrix 5 2 1. That's it, Raja. So all those things we have, just we have to take determinant. That's it. Okay. So determinant you take. Determinant of A is what they will be telling. Determinant of A what they will be telling. 5 2 5 minus 1 3 2 4 5 6. We have to take determinant. So what we are getting, let's see, Raja. 5 I am taking. 5 when we take the 5 row column, if we strike out now, 3 5 2 6 we are getting. 3 5 2 6. Second number if we go minus, we have to apply. Where ma? Here. Third row last column. Second column, Raja. This one minus 2, Raja. Thanks, pa. Is anything else I missed like that? No. Very good. Then one more minus. Appa. Then here negative will be coming. Am right? Right, pa. So next second one minus always, but element we have a minus 1. Minus 1 into matrix what na? The row column if we strike out 2 5 5 6. 2 5 5 6. 2 5 5 6. Be careful. And third na plus. So row column if we strike out 2 3 5 2. 2 3 5 minus 2. Now simplify ma, you will be getting 5 into 3 6 are what? 18. Formula minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus minus plus 10 minus into minus plus 1 into, and 2 6 are 12. Formula minus 5 are 25 plus 4 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Formula minus 5 3s are 15. If you simplify, you comes to know what it is. Okay. Now what it is? 5 into 28 plus 1 into 12 minus 25 na minus 13. Now plus 4 into minus 19. We have to simplify, Raja. 5 into 28. What you will be getting? 28. What ma? 40, 4, 10, 14, 140 minus 13. This will be 9 4s are 36. Remaining 3 7 76. So 76 plus is that 76? What I am getting finally here I will do. So 140 minus 76 86 89 Raja. If you subtract, what I am getting 1. If you borrow after borrow the 1, it will be 5. 51 ma. 51 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 na, then the system is consistent. Is it okay, pa? Correct, B minus apa? This one. Okay. Thank God we didn't use B matrix. Is it okay, ma? Ma, other product addition, subtraction, okay, am right? Boys, write fast, pa. So 2 question I gave in this page, ma. Homework 3 and 5. Okay. Alright. Children, the fifth one you have taken homework. There you must be very careful. Here actually there is no x term, so 0x you have to take. Here no z term, so 0z you have to take. Actually, this one why you took this homework? So you make a matrix, Raja. So 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5 is 0. Like that matrix will be forming for fifth one. So what element is not having, that you make it 0. Understand? Okay. Next we'll go do it fast, pa. Ma, shall we go next Roman Raja? Boy side over, girl side. Fifth one homework I said Raja. Homework you do. Is it anything? Shall we go for next? Priyadashini, you said something what? Let it be so what? Okay. What is book bag answer for third one, ma? Inconsistent. Okay. Fifth one, pa? Inconsistence coming. Right, fine, ra. Ma, we'll go to next Raja. Ma, next is 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. They asked to solve. Listen, children. They asked to solve the system of linear equation. Solve means we have to find unknown variable xy. Even z is there, na, both you have to take. Here only two variable linear equation. 3 question we have. Any one you take a homework, Raja, from this. Which will be? First question you taking homework, right? So 8th one I am going now. Raja, listen. 8th one you take 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. First you should make a linear, matrix. A matrix 2, minus 1, 3, 4. And x matrix what, ma? X, y. And constant matrix what, Raja? Minus 2 and 3. This is my matrix. So we know how to solve actually, am I right? What all you need to solve this? We need a determinant as well as A inverse both. Okay, first we'll find a determinant. What is that? Determinant of A 2, 3, minus 1, 4. So that 2 4s are 8, formula minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So that 8 plus 3 which is equal to 11. So that not equal to 0 na, then what we have to say? A inverse is exist. A inverse exists na, system is consistent. System is consistent. Okay. Suppose determinant of A, if you get 0 na, A inverse does not exist. So system is inconsistent, you will be getting. Understand? So A inverse exists is enough. So A inverse if you want to find, we need adjoint of A. Have you remember adjoint of A for finding a shortcut idea what I gave? Diagonal element what we have to do? Interchange. Very good. Diagonal element what we have to do? Interchange. So 4 you will be sending here, 2 will be here, and opposite sign for the non-diagonal element. So that plus 1, minus 3 you will be getting. This is my adjoint of A. Then what about A inverse, Raja? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. That means 1 divided by 11 into 4 minus 3, 1, 2. That is my A inverse. After finding A inverse, we can solve the system of equation very easily. So we have what? That formula, we have AX is equal to B. If you want a X now, what is the formula I said? A inverse B. So AX equal to B is this. This is actually key point, my dear. Without writing this, don't start the answer. This is key point. For this half mark, they will be allotting separately. Okay, so AX equal to B. This implies X equal to A inverse B. What is my X ma? XY. A inverse what we have? 1 by 11. Here we have A inverse. 4 minus 3, 1, 2. What is my B matrix, Raja? B matrix, here we have minus 2, 3. So we have to product row with the column. Row with a column na same. Okay, only one column only. Then what we are getting? Let's see, Raja. So 1 by 11, 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2, what you will be getting? Minus 8. Second element to second element. Then 1 3s are 3. Same column now you have to put plus. Second column now only we should not put plus. Don't forget. Okay. Next row when I go, you have to come next row here. Don't forget. So minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus and minus plus. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 again. 2 3s are 6 again. So that what I am getting? 1 by, is that 1 by 4 not? 1 by 11. Okay. So what is that? 1 by 11. What children, what I am getting here? Minus 5 Raja. Minus 5 plus 12. 11 you can multiply inside. So minus 5 divided by 11. 12 divided by 11 is my required, what actually is my required X value and Y value. So therefore, what you have to give? Therefore, X is equal to minus 5 by 11 and Y is equal to 12 divided by 11. What is book bag answer? Okay, Raja. So this is our 8th question answer. Same manner we can do 9th one. But 2 by 2 na, they will be asking, Raja, 2 by 2 na, they will be asking either in 2 mark or 3 mark, Raja. Either in 2 mark or 3 mark. Rare case 3, but 2 mark they will be asking. 2 by 2 na. Sometimes they will be asking MCQ. So MCQ this much size whether we have to do, sir, not don't want. Simple method what we have. Elimination method you can go. Understand? That method you can use for MCQ and all. For MCQ and all you can use that method. With help of, they mentioned here, using matrix method they mentioned, na? That is what we are going by matrix method. Understand? Right. Can I have the first page, ba? Is anyone writing first page? Girl side, ma? Mogana, are you writing first page? No. Can I go next, Raja? First page, I'll rough, ma. Is anyone writing the first page, pa? No. By side. Okay. 9th one. So 9th one we are moving. What is that? 4x minus 3y equal to 3. 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. First A matrix I am forming. 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. X matrix na variable actually. Constant matrix in the sense 3, 7. So first what you have to do, ma? Determinant you have to find. What, my dear? Determinant. So determinant of A is equal to, so when you product what I am getting, 4 into minus 5 minus 20 formula minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 which is equal to minus 20 minus and minus plus which is equal to minus 11, that is not equal to 0. What you can say not equal to 0 now? Then A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. If A inverse is exist, what we can find, Raja? Adjoint of A we can find. Adjoint of A, have you remember? We have to interchange diagonal elements. Diagonal elements we have to interchange. Then minus 5 will be coming here, 4 will be coming here. Right. Next, we have to change opposite sign. We have to change sign for a non-diagonal element. Then minus 3 na plus 3 and plus 3 na minus 3. Okay. That you have to do. Adjoint of A we got it. Then what is the formula? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A, and 1 divided by minus 11. Adjoint of A what? Minus 5, minus 3, 3, 4. This let it be as it is. A inverse we have. Now we have to product. Have you done that second page? Is anyone writing the second page? Is anyone boys side? So that we are using the formula. We have the formula Ax is equal to B. X is equal to A inverse B. Children, X equal to A inverse B. Suppose anyone B A inverse is given now, matrix product not possible. Don't forget, matrix product not possible. That is what we are doing. And one more thing, I gave explanation when I am giving how we are getting A inverse B. Pre-multiply only we are doing A inverse. Understand? Then only we are getting A inverse B, not B inverse A. Be careful. And the x value we know x, y, which is equal to A inverse we have 1 divided by minus 11. Minus we will give in the numerator. And minus 5, minus 3, 3, 4. And B inverse here we have 3, 7. Okay, 3, 7. Now you can check the order if you want. Children, listen. This is 2 by 2. Here 2 rows, 1 column. If you check, order will be exist. Have you noticed it? Suppose if you are changing now, order will not exist. You can notice here. See, suppose if you are changing now, order not the same. Have you noticed? That is what you should be very careful when you do matrix. Here when you do determinant, you must be very careful. Right. Now, what is that? Minus 1 divided by 11. Row with the column. Okay. This is what row with a column wise we are doing. So that first element to first element. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Second element to second element. 3 7s are 21. After it gets over, next row. Okay. Take next row, multiply with the same column. So first element to first element, minus 3 into plus 3, minus 9. Second element to second element, 4 7s are 28. When you simplify, what I am getting? So 21 minus 15, what are Raja? 6 plus 6. 28 minus 9, what you will be getting? 19. Minus 1 by 11 when you product, minus 6 by 11 and minus 19 by 11. Is my required value for x and y. Okay. So therefore, x is equal to minus 6 by 11 and y is equal to minus 19 by 11. Suppose possible to cancel, you can do Raja. But here not possible to cancel, I am not doing. Okay. What is book bag? Is it okay? Right, Raja. So do it fast. We'll go to next Roman. Next Roman onwards, I think it will be 3 by 3 matrix, I hope. Okay, till 9. Yeah, from 10 onwards, 3 by 3 matrix. Understand? Do it fast, pa. Have you done, pa? Boy side over, ma. Right fast, pa. Girl side, have you done, pa? Is anyone writing? Ma, we'll go to question number 10. Vinil, have you completed? Done, appa? Girl side, pa? Ma, we'll go to next question number 10. Ma, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we have same type dagute. So that you have to take, any homework. 10, appa, 10, 11, 12, 13 and even 14 also. Yeah, even 14 also. From this, which one you going to take homework, pa? No. That is what questions and all we have a maximum same actually. You can note down. See, from 10 to 14, pa. From 10 to 14 we have same. No, same model. What all question you going to take homework? I'm asking you people. Ma, 7, 8, 9 we have completed. That you will leave it, ra. From 10 onwards you see. So 10 also same model, Okay, 10 then I will do. Okay, leave it. Okay, from 11 to 14 same model. Then 12th one homework you taking. 12th one enough for one question. Two question I told to take. 12 and one more. 12 and even number you taking. Right, fine. Appa, listen. So that 12 and 14 is your homework. Remaining 3 I will do. Okay. Is it okay, children? Right, pa. So 10th one I will bring here. 10th one 2 by 2 matrix. That I didn't notice. So 10th one 2 by 2 matrix, Raja. First you write A matrix. First you write A matrix 5, 2, 3, 2. X, Y. And B matrix what na? 3, 5. Okay, Raja. This is we have. Now normal work only. First what we have to do? Determinant of A you have to find. So 5, 3, 2, 2. So if you multiply 5 2s are 10 minus 3 2s are 6 which is equal to 4. 4 not equal to 0. Then A inverse is exist. A inverse exists now. We can find adjoint of A. Okay. So adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. How we can find Raja? With interchanging the diagonal element. Diagonal element if you interchange 2, 5 if you, you are getting non-diagonal elements we have to change opposite sign. Plus na minus. Minus na plus you have to give like that. Okay, adjoint of A we have. Then A inverse formula what ma? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So 1 by determinant of A value 4 and adjoint A value 2 minus 3 minus 2 5. This is what A inverse. Okay. Right. Now we have to apply in the formula. Formula what we have? We have AX is equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. X in the sense we know what XY, X matrix. A inverse we have 1 by 4, 2 minus 3 minus 2, 5. This is what A inverse. B matrix na here we have 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5. So row with a column we have to product Raja. Row with a column. Okay. Row with a column we have to product. So 1 by 4 let it be. First element to first element. 2 3s are 6. Second element to second element. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Okay. Same manner second row you take. Same manner second row you take. Multiply with the same column. minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, and 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So row with the column, that idea you don't forget. 1 by 4 into, when you subtract minus 4, 25 minus 9 is 16 you will be having. 1 by 4 when you multiply inside, 4 by 4, here 16 by 4, there is possible to cancel here, so that you can cancel 1 time 1 time, this is 1 time 4 time, so that my xy which is equal to what I can say here, minus 1 and 4. Therefore x value minus 1, y value 4. So you can notice here the determinant value cancelled with the inside elements, so I cancelled. Is it okay, Raja? Right. Next question number 11 will go little right fast. Do it fast, pa. Have you done, children? Boy side, is anyone writing, pa? Okay. For next one, question number 11. Question number 11. This is also linear equation. We have to solve this. First A matrix. Listen, pa. 2 1 1. Second all the coefficient we have to write now. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. See here, there is no x variable. Have you noticed? No x variable. Now we have to take 0, y variable 3, z variable minus 5. That's it, like that. Capital X, X, Y, Z. Sir, here 3 variables, so that I am giving X, Y, Z. And constant what we have, that is B matrix. 1, 3 by 2 and 9. So constant matrix I gave 1. Okay. Now we have to check first determinant of A. Determinant of A value what? Determinant of A value 2, 1 is 0. 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1 minus 5. So what we can go? Shall we go column 1 or row 3? Column 1 will go. So column 1 now what we can say? A11, A12, sorry, A21. Okay, A21, A31. So this is I'm going to use. Where we have a 0, there you take determinant. That is easy. Okay. So 2, first one 2. So 2 row column, if we strike dot, what we have? Minus 2 minus 1. What is that? Minus 2 minus 1. 3 minus 5. And second 2 plus 1 3. 3 na minus. 3 na minus 1. Okay, row column, if we strike dot, 1 1 3 minus 5. 1 1 3 minus 5. And third element is 0. So whatever you give, it will be 0. Okay. Right. Next 2 into minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10. Formula minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So minus and minus plus 3. Minus 1 into 1 into minus 5 formula minus 3 ones are 3. So what I'm getting 2 into 13 minus 8. What I'm getting 26 minus and minus plus 8. When I add it will be 34. I'm getting 34 which is not equal 0. Then A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. So next we have to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of this is 3 by 3 na. So for finding adjoint of A, let me write 4 by 4 matrix first. So I have to start from the middle of the matrix. Means middle of the matrix what we have minus 2. So you start here minus 2. Next number what pa minus 1. See minus 1 1 like that order wise you have to go. Next number minus 1 after 1 again first number should be in the last. Then we have to come back to the next row, that is 3 minus 5 0. 3 minus 5 0 again first number should be coming here. After that we have to go back to the first row, that is 1 again 1 then 2 again 1. So first row again we have to write here minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2. This is our required matrix format 4 by 4. This is 4 by 4. Children, don't write this 4 by 4 matrix equal to adjoint of A. That is a mistake if you are writing. Understand? Right. Now let me write that adjoint A here. So adjoint A here I will write. Adjoint A is equal to. So let me multiply pa. Otherwise let's go. First you multiply this. Minus 2 into minus 5 minus plus 10 formula minus 3 into minus 1 minus plus 3 is equal to 13. So that your number will be 13 first. Next 3 ones are 3 formula minus 1 into minus 5 into minus plus 5 which is equal to 8. So that your first element will be 8. Next 1 into minus 1 formula minus 2 in minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 which is equal to 1. So that 1 I'm giving here. Next and minus 1 into 0 0 formula minus 5 into 1 minus 5 minus plus 5 is equal to 5. So that next column 5 and minus 5 into 2 minus 10 formula minus 1 into 0 0 which is equal to minus 10. So that we are getting here minus 10. And next 1 ones are 1 formula minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So minus plus 2 is equal to 3. So we are getting here 3. Next I'm taking what is that 3 ones are 3 formula minus 0 into anything 0 which is equal to 3. So that here I'm giving 3. Next 0 into 1 0 formula minus 2 into 3 6 which is equal to minus 6. So that here minus 6 I'm giving. Next 2 into minus 2 minus 4 formula minus 1 ones are 1 which is equal to minus 5. So that finally I'm getting minus 5. This one we should take transpose. Okay, transpose means row we have to write as a column. Understand that you write Raja. So what I'm getting my adjoint of A 13 5 3 8 minus 10 minus 6 1 3 minus 5. This is my adjoint A. This is my adjoint A. Understand? Adjoint A I got it. Then where we have to go? Where we have to go? We have to go for doing answer. What is that? We have AX is equal to B. This implies X is equal to what I am getting, Daraja? A inverse B. So X means X, Y, Z. And A inverse we didn't do, sorry. Then here itself I will do. What is A inverse ma? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A, I am right. So that 1 by 34. So A inverse what pa? 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3 and 3 minus 6 minus 5. So this is my A inverse. Take the A inverse right there. What is that? 1 by 34 into A inverse what pa? 13, 5, 3. 13, 5, 3. Like that 8 minus 10 minus 6. Last column 3. 1, 3 minus 5. This is A inverse. And B matrix. B matrix here we have 1, 3 by 2, 9. So 1, 3 by 2 and 9. That's it. So we have to product like matrix product, row with the column, row with the column. One column only we have. So there is no issue. We'll multiply 1 by 34. Okay, into what I'm getting. 1 by 34 into what I'm getting. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13 plus 8 into 3 by 2. Children, 8 into 3 by 2 na. See, 8 into 3 by 2 na. One time, how many times? 4. 4 3s are, then what you will be getting? 12. Like that you have to do carefully. Then 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. Okay, first row with the column over. Now take the second. Okay, take the second, you multiply. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Minus 10 into 3 by 2. Minus 10 into 3 by 2. Now what I am getting? 1 time, 5 time. So minus 5 into 3, minus 15 we are getting. Okay. The next number 3 nines are. 3 nines are what pa? 27. Okay. Like that. Now third row. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus 6 into 3 by 2. Minus 6 into 3 by 2. Now 1 time how many time? 3 time. Then minus 3 into 9. Minus 9 we are getting. Minus 9. So minus 5 into 9. Minus 45. Minus 45. So let's simplify this. So 1 by 34 into, add everything. What I am getting? 20, 25, 34. This is 34. First one. Second one what ma? 17. Next one what ma? 3 if you remove na. 6 minus 51. So 34 if you bring inside, what I am getting? 34 if you bring inside, 34 divided by 34, 17 by 34 minus 51 by 34. So that we have to cancel this. Okay, what I am getting? What I am getting? 1 time. This is 1 time, 2 time. 17 table. Okay. So 2 17s are 3 17s are. So check the book bag answer, Raja. My answer 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So what is my answer? Can you check the book bag? Therefore x value 1, y value 1 by 2 and z value minus 3 divided by 2. Have you understand? Children, these things they will be asking in the case study or 5 mark. Case study na 4 mark. Raja, case study na 4 mark question or 5 mark question. If you have a luck, they may ask in the 5 mark also. So this is very important. What is the topic? Children, you have to learn this. 4th chapter na very important son na from question number 11. Okay, onwards. Question number 11, 12, 13, 14 till the end of exercise what we have. This everything if you learn, really I am telling 4 or 5 mark 100% surety we can give for board exam. Understand? 100% surety I will give. If you learn this from 11 to end of the exercise, if you learn very well, 100% I will give surety one question will be coming in the board exam. Okay, right. Can I go to question number 12? Write fast. 12 I gave homework. 13 we have to go. 12 and 14 I gave homework. Don't forget. So I have to go 13. Write faster, Raja. Is it done, ma? Is anyone writing from girl side? Sweta is writing. Write faster, Raja. Boy side, pa? Karan and Rajesh. Write fast. Completed, appa? Good. Boy side, Raja. Over. Rajesh Orappa. Mr. Rajesh, tell me, man. Fine, fine. Done, Raja. Right. Ma, we'll go to next. Question number 13 I said. Ma, 12 I gave homework. 13. 12 and 14 I said homework. Do at least 4 questions from exercise. Right. Listen, pa. First we have to write A matrix. 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. All the coefficients I wrote as a matrix. Then x is equal to variable x, y, z, and b is equal to all the constant 5 minus 4, 3. All the constants I made like that. Now first of all, what we have to check, the Raja? Determinant we have to check. So determinant of A, which is equal to 2 if I take. Children, listen. I am taking row 1. So A11, A12, A13. Okay. So that 1 plus 1, 2, 2 means positive. So positive 2. Determinant if we take now, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. Sorry, both are negative. Right, be careful. Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. And 1 plus 2 na 3. 3 means odd number. Odd number na negative will be giving. And element 3 we have to write. Okay, element 3 we have to write. That element row column if we strike out 1, 1, 3 minus 2. 1, 1, 3 minus 2. Then element 1, 3. 1, 3 is what? 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 means plus number. So plus 4 into that 1, 3 row and column if we strike out 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. So this one you have to simplify, pa. So that 2 into cross multiply this like this. So minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, formula minus. Minus into minus plus 1, minus 3 into, if you take cross multiply, 1 into minus 2, formula minus. 3 1s are 3. Tell me, Raja. Where, ma? Element 1, 3. This will be 3m, right? Thanks, Raja. So 3 into 1 into minus 1, formula minus. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So minus into minus plus 6 you will be getting. So that 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5. So you can multiply 2 5s are 10, minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15. Again 15, 30, 40. So 40 which is not equal to 0, then A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. If A inverse exists, now what we have to find, ba? Adjoint of A we have to find. For finding adjoint of A, first what we have to go? What we have to do? This one you take from middle number. Okay, middle number what? Minus 2. Next number what, ma? 1 means row wise I am coming. 1 after again 1. Okay, so that first 1 again 1, then starting number will be minus 2. Same manner you go to third column, minus 1 after minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. After minus 2, 3 we have. After minus 2, 3 we have. So that minus 1. Next row 1 we can go. Row 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3 again. So you can write this again. Minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. That's it. So this is by, what is that? 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. In the sense you can use this things, Raja. Now we can product here. Okay. After product you comes to know what is the adjoint of A. So that adjoint A is equal to, adjoint of A equal to what I am getting? Product of this first minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, minus 1 into 1, formula minus, one more minus na, plus 5 you will be getting. So that plus 5 you will be getting here. Next minus 1 into 3, minus 3, formula minus. 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus and minus plus 6 equal to 3. So you will be getting here 3. Next 3 ones are 3, formula minus 2 into 6 minus 6, minus and minus plus 6 equal to 9. So that you will be getting 9. Understand? Next what is that 1? What is that 1 into 1 into minus, so 1 into 3 3, formula minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus and minus plus is equal to 5. So this will be 5 here, sorry 5, right, like that. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4, formula 3 3s are 9, which is equal to minus 13. Okay, this is minus 13 we have. Next 3 1s are 3, formula 1 2s are 2, which is equal to 1. So what I am getting 1. Okay, what I am getting 1. Yes, where Maharaja? This one. Formula 1 minus. Middle we will be giving formula minus. Okay, right. Right. Next here, what is that? 1 into minus 1, formula 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus and minus plus 6, which is equal to 5. So that 5 you will be getting, and 3 3s are 9, formula 2 into minus 1 minus 2, so minus and minus plus 2, which is equal to 11. So that 11 you will be getting, and 2 into minus 2 minus 4, formula 1 3s are 3, which is equal to minus 7. So that you will be getting minus 7, the whole transpose. After applying the transpose, what I am getting adjoint of A? If you apply the transpose, you will be getting, what I am getting 5 5 5. Is it okay? 5 5 I am getting. Next, write that 3 minus 13, what for next? 11. Understand? Next one, 9 1 minus 7. This is my required adjoint of A. Now we will go for writing the A inverse. So that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A, 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A value what? 40. Adjoint A value we have here 5 3 9, 5 3 9, 5 minus 13 and 1, 5 11 minus 7. Okay, so this is my A inverse. After writing A inverse, we can go to the product. We can go back to the product. So let's product here. We have Ax is equal to B formula. This implies what is that? X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse B. So X matrix now we know that X, Y, Z. A inverse we know 1 by 40 into the matrix column 1, column 2, column 3, B matrix we have in the given here 5 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 3. If you product, this will be over. Okay, so we know how to product row with the column, row with the column. Only one column only we have, so that we can go normal product. Do carefully, children. 5 5s are 25, means first element to first element. Okay, and 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 9 3s are 27, like that. Okay, like that. And next 5 5s are 25 again. Minus 13 minus 4, minus and minus plus 13 4s are 3 4s are 12, balance 1. 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 52. And 1 into 3 3, 1 into 3 3. Okay, next 5 5s are 25 again. 5 5s are 25. 11 into minus 4 minus 44. 7 3s are minus 7, but so that minus 21 you will be getting. Understand? After close, what I am getting? 1 by 40 simplified, Raja. Huh? First one 40 coming, right? What about second one, pa? 8, is it coming 80? Right. Third one, minus 38, is it so? No. 25, 40, 60, 65. When you subtract 0, this will be minus 40. Okay. So minus 40 you will be getting. If you multiply the 1 by 40 inside, 40 by 40, 80 by 40, minus 40 by 40. So if you cancel all those things, what I am getting, children? This is 1, this will be 2, this will be what? But minus 1. That's it. Our final answer will be 1, 2, minus 1. This is for what? X, Y, Z. So therefore X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, and Z is equal to minus 1. That's it. Have you understand, children? Is it okay? The same model I give 2 some homework, 12 and 14. 12 and 14 I gave 2 questions, you have to do. Understand? Do it fast. 2 more questions will complete. Do it fast. Do it fast, pa. Children, next that 15 and 16 can I do in next video? Yes, sir. Okay, Raja, then we'll complete the video. Okay, children, bye. I will come with the next video with another questions. Take care. See you later, boy.